Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inkscape tutorials how to cut letters. For example, I will create letters with this text tool. You can set the names like I will set into Mufasu Cat channel. Can resize these text objects, make it more bigger. Then I will move into this point. Now, if you want to cut these letters, we can use these different tools, but first you need to convert this text into path. You can select the text object, go to path menu, and then click object to path. After it, I will create for cutting object. I will use these rectangle tools. Okay, we cut like at these points. Now you can select these two object, go to path menu, and then click difference. So it will be automatically cut the letters. Okay, that's it for basic Inkscape tutorials, how to cut letters. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.